This is week 4 of my new container garden. I have added furniture here in the garden. Each week, the blooms are spreading and growing. Life lesson that I have learned while, and I want to share that this garden has been a kind of therapy to watch something grow from nothing, a seed or very small plant. Each season of our lives, we grow. We should learn something, even from the things that fails us. I have tried and tried with this particular plant, but you know what? I'm leaving it there to remind me that life has its failures, its ups and its downs, but in the end, things are rewarding. A calmness comes when you look out, see these beautiful flowers, different colors, represent the diversity of the world that we live in. The different shapes of their leaves. And then the things you put in to accessorize. Not that they know that they are there, because it adds a little life within the life that it is producing. Our children and our grandchildren, we give them all we can, all the learning, all the growing to help them. The Bible tells us to train them up. And when they are old, they will not depart from it. God's beauty is represented in just a minute way in my garden. I talk to them. Come on now. Come on, let's grow. Feed them. And God does the rest. Adding this seat just made it look a little more like a garden, where you have somewhere to sit and ponder. I tell you, Mr. Duck here dressed up in his outfit. My sister liked it, and so I'm going to try to find one for her to place in among her flowers. So this is what is going on out here in the yard. It's drizzling now, so I may not have to water them. Not finished out here, but let me show you there's the water container, one of the other items that I purchased. Now let me show you the porch. Here's how the porch is looking from this angle. Sometimes we change up or go in a different direction in life. and the things we have in and around our home, we do not idolize them, but we make things comfortable for us, even though life doesn't always offer us the things that we would like. But I believe those things were not meant for us anyway. I have taken the liberty to leave these false spear balls here for a little bit longer. I've had them so long, I'm not ready to get rid of them. And I've only have 2 plants now flanking the steps up to the porch. So it still gives the cozy vibe. It's just not much. Here's the new addition. I have one more to put up. If I keep it, I don't want the porch to be crowded, so I may not keep it. And these are just the 2 rugs I had on the floor, and I put them in here and kept the pillow here because that bluebird and the color of the rugs go together. Here's the coffee cup flower pot. Here's the other watering can. I hope you have enjoyed, again, following me along as my flowers continue to grow, and the way I'm decorating in the yard and here on the porch. Subscribe while you're here today and help me reach 300 subscribers. Like and comment. Thank you all who have already subscribed and come to the channel to support it. I do appreciate it. Leave me a comment. Let me show you the second cup. I don't know if you saw this, the other cup and saucer. I think those are just adorable. And the gates I got from Hobby Lobby. Flanks both sides. And these beautiful flowers here. Let you know you're about to enter Stephanie Container Garden. Until the next video, thank you and blessings. Here is how the chair looks. And I got 2 of them. I only have one halfway put up, but I wanted to show you what will be on the front porch. I got them from Roses for $59.99. There must have been a discount because I only paid $113 and something for 2 of them. Again, blessings.